Number 37 asks us to find the probability of getting at least one even number in 5 rolls of a single die. So you roll the standard fair 6-sided die. It's going to have, you have a possibility of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, right? Half of them are even numbers, half are odd. What we're asked here is what's the probability of getting at least one even number. So remember, with at least once probability, we're first going to figure out the probability of an event not happening, and then back into our answer of at least once. So what we want to do is figure out what's the probability of getting of rolling a die 5 times and getting all odd numbers. That would mean that we never got a single even number. So the probability of getting an odd number is 3 out of 6, or 1 in 2. Right? Half of the numbers, 1, 3, and 5, are going to be odd. So the probability on any single roll is going to be 1 in 2. The probability of getting that of getting an odd number 5 times in a row is going to be 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, and we're going to do that 5 times. And then that's the probability that you never did get an even number. So the probability of getting at least one number is 1 minus that. All right, so 1/2 5 times. That's 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4, times 1/2 is 1/8, times 1/2 is 1/16, times 1/2 is 1/32. So this is 1 minus 1/32, which is equal to 31 32nds. 1 is 32 over 32, minus 1 over 32 is 31 out of 32. That's the probability that you're going to get at least one even number if you roll a die 5 times.